Alright, chat. Today we're just gonna do a night in my life. Well, stretch it out. Well, we're gonna do a night routine. So my desk is kind of dirty and it's a little bit sticky because you know I be eating in here, some type of stuff. And so we're just gonna clean it up and let's do that. I forgot to say one thing. Get me to 500 subscribers and I'll buy an actual mic right here. Yeah, give me to 500 subscribers and I'll buy that. As you can see right here, we got some sticky stuff right there. Yeah, it might not, and we got like, cause I kind of spilled something. All right, so we're gonna disconnect everything off the thing because we're gonna wipe it down with the Clorox wipe. So let's do that. All right, so it's 7:26, and now we're just gonna hit a workout, and then we're probably gonna take a shower. So, yeah.
Me around for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. She's lovely.
Alright, chat. Now we're gonna take a shower, but I think I got a headset there. I think I have one of those. So we're gonna wash that away. Okay, now I'm just gonna watch a movie. I'm gonna find something to watch because I'm bored out of my mind. Alright, now we're just gonna play Fortnite with my brother and my cousin. So later that day, me and my brother and my cousin, we played short horror games. So here's some of that gameplay. You should watch it because it's kind of funny.
We're texting the hus.
Ah! There's nothing there.
Bro, it was a girl right there, bro. It was the hus. You made it? Ah! The hus!
I just saw something. Something green.
That was her.
I saw something green.
Okay, now how do you go behind there? Looks like you've been through it. Bro, just get on my pizza, bro. Yes, bro, it's just the hus. She's upstairs. She's being crazy, bro. She's loco. Ian, you ate it all.
Yeah, fat boy.
Bro, you ate all the damn pizza. Ah! They got him! They got him!
They got him.
They got him!
Kelly, they got him.
No, they got him, bro. No. Oh, bro. They got him, bro.
They got him, bro. You hear me? I'm not afraid anymore.
Where the hell is Ian at?
Ian.
Oh, she's crazy. Oh, she's crazy, bro. Go to the room upstairs. 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 Go to the room upstairs.
She's coming.
Ian! Ian, we have to leave you, bro. Ah! She got me!
Alright, now we got a corn dog and some fries, and then we're gonna go watch a movie upstairs. So let's go. Let's grub on this, and then let's go upstairs and we'll watch the movie. Alright, so it's now like 1 a.m. I think I'm just going to edit this video and maybe just go to sleep. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.